Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
I have to go to the airport. Can you take me there?
Yes, of course.
How long will it take from here?
It will take an hour, ma'am.
Oh, will it take that long?
Yes, ma'am. It's almost noon now, so there will be a traffic jam on the road.
Which road will you take?
I'll take the city road, ma'am.
There will surely be a jam on that road.
Then which road do you want me to take?
Take the express road.
You have to pay 2 tolls on that road, so the rate will increase by 200 rupees.
That's not a big deal. Take the express road.
Sure, ma'am. Shall I keep your luggage in the trunk?
No, it's not that heavy. I can carry it with me.
Okay, ma'am. Please sit inside.
Can you please drive a little fast?
Sure, ma'am. When is your flight?
At 2 p.m.
Oh, now it's 11:30 a.m.
Yeah, but I need to reach there at least 2 hours before.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll make sure you reach there on time.
Thank you. By the way, since when have you been doing this job?
It has been a year. I cannot drive regularly though. I'm driving today almost after a month.
Why? Were you sick?
No, ma'am. I had my college exams.
Oh, do you study at college?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in BSc second year.
Wow, how do you manage this work while studying?
What will I do, ma'am? I have to do this job. My mother and I live together and she's really sick. I have to work.
What about your father?
He passed away 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What did he do?
He used to drive this car. He actually bought this car himself. I love driving, so he taught me how to drive.
But if you drive all day, then when do you study?
I normally study at night. I go to college in the morning up till 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. I drive this car and then I go home, take rest and study at night.
Wow, you are an inspiration for our new generation. You are continuing your studies even after such struggle.
Thank you, ma'am. See, we have already reached your destination.
Oh yeah. How much do I have to pay?
1,000 rupees, ma'am.
Take this. Here you have 1,500 rupees. The extra amount is for your mother.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope you do well. Wish you a happy and a successful life. Bye.
So this was a conversation between a passenger and a cab driver. Now is the time for the question. The question is, at what time was the passenger's flight? Make sure to answer this question in the comment box below. I'd eagerly be waiting for your comments. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet and want more such conversational videos, then make sure to click on the subscribe button. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.